Treasury is pushing for green financing policies and streamlining the digital finance subsector. National Treasury Principal Secretary Dr. Julius Muia says there are options for banks to diversify their climate portfolio, and embracing fintech solutions on the same would ensure a wider market reach.
According to the Kenya Banking Industry Report by the Kenya Bankers Association, over 80% of commercial banks in Kenya have aligned their credit policies with sustainable lending practices within the last 1 year. The report further reveals that lenders still lack awareness on the implications climate risk and internal green practice policies would have on banking practices.
Even having pronounced Kenya as a regional financial services center, that is in the same spirit of making sure that we've got a strong financial services sector which is able to attract deposits from depositors, attract international finance, and be able to intermediate that finance so that it is channeled to projects that are useful and important for our country.
And anchor the banking sector's development on evidence from research and analytics in areas we consider critical in enhancing the industry's contribution to economic growth and development.
According to the National Treasury, it is essential for commercial banks to adopt lending practices that seek to address long-standing climate-related concerns and risks. Dr. Muia says green finance should be accorded more attention by the financial service sector and entrench sustainability in their lending and business operations.
Strongly believe that it's out of a candid engagement with the stakeholders, underpinned by rigorous analysis, that we can mine robust ideas supportive of the financial sector's growth and development aspirations.
That area today to do with the fintechs and how to make sure that we exploit technology is one area where, in terms of policy, in terms of regulations, is an area with a lot of focus, and I know there are draft papers already that have been prepared through a lot of consultation, chaired and spearheaded by the State Department for the National Treasury.
Bankers believe stakeholder engagement is necessary to facilitate a systematic shift in the industry that pushes for a countrywide green policy adoption strategy.
And as a last appeal, banking sector players are being told to reach for green financing, and maybe they can hit the climatic change needs and profits at the same time. Hibak Saeed for Prime Edition.